Did you know there's a simple natural remedy that can speed up plant growth, make your flowers bloom faster, and even revive wilting leaves? And it might already be lying forgotten in a corner of your garden? Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal might just change the way you garden forever. The secret? Crushed dry neem leaves. Not a fancy fertilizer. Not an expensive product. Just regular neem leaves, dried and mashed into small pieces. A time-tested solution that does wonders for plant health. Neem leaves are loaded with antifungal and antibacterial properties. When crushed and added to the soil, they don't just nourish the plant, they protect it from root rot, repel harmful pests, and improve overall soil quality. Think of it as a natural shield for your garden. Here's how to use it. Take a handful of dried neem leaves and crush them into small pieces. Not a powder, just broken up well. Mix about 2 tablespoons of these pieces into the top layer of soil around your plant. Water as usual. Do this once every 2 weeks for the best results. Over time, the neem slowly breaks down, releasing its benefits directly into the soil. It keeps pests like aphids and fungus gnats away, while promoting healthier roots and stronger growth. And here's the surprising part. Gardeners who've used this method have seen visibly greener leaves, faster growth, and far fewer pest issues. All from something as simple as crushed neem leaves. So next time your plant looks weak or growth seems slow, try this natural trick before anything else. You might be amazed at the transformation. Let me know how it works for you in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow plant lovers.